Hello and welcome to the Math Studio. In this video, we're going to apply trigonometric functions of compound angles to problems involving proofs. So here's one example. Let's have a look at it together. We're going to prove that 2 sine a minus b all over cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to cot a minus cot b. Now, it's generally customary to start from the more complicated end and work with it, and sort of apply the algebra, and hopefully everything simplifies so that you end up with something that looks like the other end, which in this case is the right-hand side. So let's start off by beginning with the left-hand side. So left-hand side is equal to 2 sine of a minus b. So what we're going to do, let's expand the numerator. So that's 2 outside of, and it's going to be sine a cos b minus sine b cos a all over. There you go, cos of a plus b, so cos a cos b minus sine a sine b minus, now let's open bracket there because we're going to get a positive term appearing. That's going to be cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Close bracket. Let's expand the brackets now in total, so hopefully we'll eliminate them all in one go. We have 2 sine a cos b minus 2 sine b cos a all over cos a cos b minus sine a sine b minus cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Okay, now we'll have some cancellation here, which is really nice. So we'll end up with the cos a cos b cancelling with cos a cos b there. So we'll end up with 2 sine a cos b minus 2 sine b cos a all over. Now you're going to have 2 negative sine a sine b's, so that's nice, so negative 2 sine a sine b. Okay, so now let's have a think about it very carefully. If we divide everything by negative 2 sine a sine b, hopefully we'll get some more terms cancelling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now break up this fraction so you can see what's going to happen here. So this is the same as 2 sine a cos b over negative 2 sine a sine b. Okay, so breaking up the numerator into two terms and expressing it as 2 distinct or 2 separate fractions. And it's going to be minus 2 sine b cos a over negative 2 sine a sine b. And we'll most certainly have some cancellation here. So that sine a cancels with that sine a there. Okay. This sine b cancels with that sine b there. The 2's obviously cancel, so you end up with that and that cancelling, but the negative is retained, of course. And this 2 and this 2 will cancel, but the minus minus or the double negative there turns it into a plus. And so you'll end up with, now cos b over sine b is cot, so that's equal to negative cot b plus cot a. And of course we can change the order of things. So that's equal to cot a minus cot b, and that's equal to the right hand side as required. So there's our cot A, cot B. Thank you for watching.